Hi guys, let's learn to make some animation with Adobe Animate CC. With me, Mr. David Setiabudi. Now, first time we are going to explore the brush sizes and color. You see there, I'm trying to choose some color. Okay, and I'm trying to resize the brush. At the left side, you see I have chosen the brush. There are a lot of brushes. Choose one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Choose that brush, not the other brush. Okay. First, I'm going to. Wait. Going to draw some. Oops. Okay. This is hard. Okay. Trying to draw. Okay, I'll draw a Roman soldier. Okay, this is the helmet. Okay. Okay, it's best if you buy a digital drawing tablet. Because, yeah. I draw this using my mouse and it's really hard to control, so the result is not quite nice. You see? The expression of this soldier is not quite nice. I think I'm going to zoom it up a bit. Wait, I think I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, let me erase. So I choose this. Undo. Okay, I'm doing Control Z to undo. Control Z to undo, guys. Okay, this is a tough expression from a Roman soldier. Yeah. I'm going to make the eyes like that. Oh, it's too thick. Okay, this one is the eraser. Guys, you can press Ctrl Z to undo the drawing, okay, or the lines that you just created. Or if it's already too late, then you need to use the eraser. Wait, this one is too big, so I'm going to unzoom, okay, using my mouse. Press Ctrl and scroll, so you can zoom in and zoom out. Or you can choose the magnifier. You see there? The magnifier tool is nearby the brush tool. Okay, this one is the eraser. Okay, choosing the brush tool. Okay, I'm going to continue to draw. I think I'm going to color this one. Moving this paper, digital paper, using the hand. Choosing all of them. I'm pressing H, okay. This is the palette that I want to use. You press the H button there. Okay, so guys, you need to know how to choose the color. Look at this one, okay. So there's a big box there and a long line there. If you want to choose for the color, you need to choose for the long line on the second one. And then for the detail, you can choose the big box there, which is a the detail of the color. For example, at the long line there, you are choosing red. Okay, you go to the red color, and then for the darkness of the red or lightness of the red, you can choose the bigger box. Now let me go here, choosing all of them. Okay, I'm going to animate this one, and here I'm going to choose convert to symbol. Okay, choose all of them, right click, convert to symbol. Okay, choose all of the picture, right click, convert to symbol. Then choose this one as a movie clip. Done. What will happen to this? Now, as I double click this one, you see, look at there. It goes to the subfolder of the picture. Okay. In the subfolder of the picture, okay, I go to the timeline and I right click and I can create a frame there. Another frame. So first frame, second frame, third frame, and so on, because we want to create some animation, right? So what I'm doing there is I'm going to make the frame. Previously, what I did before is right click, I choose on the picture, okay, I do insert keyframe. Now I got double. Okay, first frame and second frame is the same. Now, currently I'm editing for the second frame. When I choose insert keyframe, it will make an exact copy of the first frame. First frame and second frame is the same picture. But now I'm editing the second picture, if you get what I mean. Okay. So the second picture will have a little bit difference with the first frame. If we do that, we play later on, we make an animation, so we can see the movement in the helmet. Okay, now I'm going to trace this one. Okay, no matter how good you trace, it will make a little bit difference. So the little bit difference will make animation. Done. Okay, so we go to the third frame. Okay, third frame, I'm going to make a tracing for the helmet again. Trust me, it will be different. It won't be an exact copy of the tracing. My tracing is not perfect, but not perfect sometimes is perfect. Now I'm going to color for the second one and third one. Okay, let me see, where is it? Okay, here. Okay, I'm choosing red with the color picker. Okay, so I'm picking the same red as the first frame. I don't want to pick another red color, the exact same red with the color picker. Okay, now let's run this one by pressing Alt-Enter to run the animation. This Adobe Animate will create a double SWF file. You see? Now let's go here. I'm going to change the frame rate because you see that's too fast. Okay, now it's slower a bit. I'm still inside of the subfolder of the animation, you see? I'm going to fix this problem here. Okay. Okay, magnifying. Okay, I'm going to make the teeth move a bit. Choosing the teeth with the lasso. Okay, so when I move the teeth, oh, I need to move the center. There, okay. It's not good. I'm canceling this one. Undo. Control Z to undo. I'm going to lasso from the front. Okay, making lasso. And here, done. Okay, I move the center. I press Control and move one of the center, one of the corner. Pressing Alt, moving one of the corner. Another lasso. Okay, one more time. One lasso to select the area. Okay, and then moving the center, pressing Control and move the corner. You see, guys, when I move this one, you see the crack on the face. So we need to fix that one. We want to make the teeth move a bit. Moving a bit is good, but you see there's a crack there. You need to fix them. Okay, make sure you are fixing with the same color. So color picker will help. Where's the color picker? Oh, there it is. Okay, now I'm going to fill this one. There, done. Alt, Enter. I'm going to zoom in. Right click, zoom in. Okay, you see? I'm going to make the eye move a bit. Because it's weird if the eye is not moving, right? So, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Moving it up a bit. Oh. Whoops. Okay. Control Z. Okay, there's a crack there. You see the crack? Okay. As usual, we need to fix the crack. With the paint bucket too. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my tutorial. And like and subscribe. Have a good day.